The kitchen isn't just the heart of the home. It's where nostalgia, comfort, and style come together. A rustic farmhouse vintage kitchen combines the charm of yesteryears with the warmth of home-cooked meals. Imagine timeless wooden cabinetry, antique decor, and natural finishes that make every corner a treasure trove of charm. This video will take you through ideas to create a kitchen that's not just functional but an aesthetic masterpiece. An open-plan, rustic farmhouse kitchen. The ceiling is lined with exposed wooden beams and the room is flooded with natural light from vintage-style windows. A big wooden island encircled by mismatched stools serves as the focal point. The storage in a farmhouse kitchen is what makes it so charming. It's practical but full of personality. Natural textures, such as stone and wood, are ideal for a farmhouse kitchen since they give the room depth and coziness. More than just a room, your ideal rustic farmhouse antique kitchen is a nostalgic, charming, and cozy experience. Every element, from organic materials to appliances with a nod to the past, demonstrates the classic appeal of rustic design. If you enjoyed these suggestions, please remember to subscribe to Farmhouse Bliss *. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's keep designing homes that feel like home.